Hey queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm giving you guys a human hair wig that I am loving, and this is from the company Unice. I want to shout out Unice and thank them so much for sponsoring this video. So the wig I'm wearing right now is already styled. You guys saw some of the styling. Do you see your girl? Okay. Y'all, I am so excited to tell you all the tea on this wig and how you can get it at an affordable price. So if you're interested in that, make sure you keep on watching. And if you're not subscribed, I hope that you will consider subscribing. We would love to have you. And if you are subscribed, shout out to you, girl. I hope your post notifications are on. So without further ado, let's get this wig review poppin', poppin', poppin'. Yes! Okay, you guys, so the unit that they sent me, I am loving because I have been wanting to try this blonde brown highlight trend that is really popping on Instagram. I have been seeing so many girls with this color wig, and I was like, I want to get my hands on one. So the length I'm wearing right now is 20 inches, and I am going to stand up and show you guys what that looks like on me. Please keep in mind that I am 6'2". Okay, so you know what to do if you're shorter. Change your length, sis, unless you really like butt length, waist length hair. So yes, this is 20 inches on me, and this is their brown and blonde highlight wig. I love this look. Like I told you guys, it is trending. It's a middle part, so it's shocking that your girl likes it because y'all know me and middle parts, we like to fight. Okay, but this one definitely is doing me justice, and I really like the middle part in this wig. So this wig does come with a closure area, and I'm happy to report that it was really easy for me to lay down. I ended up going ahead and gluing this down just because I wanted to lay like flat right here. It was easy to style, and it blended very well. It's looking real natural. Okay, it's looking real good on your girl. So I really don't have any complaints about that. I was happy to see that the cap size was not super small. It's kind of like an average to where it's gonna fit you if your head is bigger like mine. And you also have adjustable straps and combs to help you use if your head is smaller. I am using the combs, but I'm not using the adjustable straps, and I love the way that it turned out looking. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not had much shedding at all. Very light when I brush through and comb through this wig, and I have not had any tangling, which is always a plus, girl, because if your human hair is doing a whole bunch of tangling and shedding, something is wrong. Okay, now a little bit is okay, but if it's like 3 days later and this, no, send it back, sis, send it back. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and show you guys what 20 inches is looking like on your girl. 20 inches lands on me right above my bust area, or actually like right below my bust area, so you can decide which length is best for you based on what it is on me. Another thing that I like about this wig, you guys, it actually gives me a natural density. It's not too thick, which I'm happy about. I'm thinking about busting this out again around Christmas time because I feel like this would be really cute, so keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna add this video to my human hair wig playlist. Definitely check out those videos, you guys, and check out the links in the description for all the information on this hair. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you queens so much, and again, shout out to Unice Hair for sending me out this unit. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Hit me in the comments and let me know what you think about this color, okay, and what you think about this wig. Love you queens. Talk to you soon. Bye.